You have formulated some pseudo equations on AI success. So, and I believe there are 3 such pseudo equations that we heard about. So can you just take us through that?
Yeah, these equations these are pseudo equations, but I formulated them in 2021, and somehow they have actually stood the test of time. I'm actually quite surprised that 5.5 years later, they're still quite relevant. Those 3 are the following. Number 1, now what are called as scaling laws. Nowadays, it's popularly in the AI world, they're called scaling laws. But we had formulated that accuracy or error in a model is a direct function of data, compute, and techniques. Number 2 equation is that when you take any problem, you build any use case in the real world using AI, you have to think of who are the users, what decisions are they making with it, how do I design it for that consumption. The 3rd equation is about how do organizations become successful with AI. And this is at one level higher, right? Not at a level of a problem or a level of a model, but at the level of an organization. So you have to bring in amazing talent. Second is a culture where they can experiment, learn, and fix, and so on. A positive error culture where a mistake is not an issue where you get fired, but a mistake is a path to learning. So a culture of learning and improvement, but then strong governance as well, because AI models are getting more powerful. So you need a strong level of responsible AI to make sure that you're producing something really good and useful in the world that doesn't do any harm. So talent, culture, and governance become the 3rd equation. So if you have to bring in organizational effectiveness, it's a function of talent, culture, and governance. So these are the 3 equations that I formulated. Awesome.